Mwangi Kiunjuri says all is set for the swearing-in of governor-elects in all the 47 counties. A number of judges and magistrates have already been enlisted to swear in the 47 newly elected governors into office. Now, the swearing-in will take place from this Friday, the 18th of August. All Assumption of Office committees working under the State Department of Devolution began making transition plans since June the 19th.
All counties confirmed dates and places of swearing in by yesterday, that is 14th August 2017, and submitted the draft gazette notices announcing the same for publication. The Cabinet Secretary, Principal Secretary, and Secretariat members will be making a tour of select counties starting Wednesday, August 2017, to ensure that all necessary preparations are completed as required. The ministry has also prepared a package containing all the devolution laws and policies that will be presented to each governor during the swearing-in ceremony as a gesture of goodwill from the Cabinet Secretary on behalf of the national government. A similar package will be given to each clerk of the 47 assemblies for similar presentation to their respective speakers during the Assembly's first sitting. Ladies and gentlemen, the message is we are all set to ensure a smooth transition. I thank my Principal Secretary, Mr. Michael Pawon, and his team for the work they and the committees at the county.
Well, let's now speak to our senior reporter, Patrick Amimo, for more on this. Patrick, good afternoon. There's this